Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have some hearth holding stocking holders. So I have my fireplace behind us, and let's check out what these things are here. Let's see what it is. Looks like it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 of them in here. And so these are supposed to hold on to the fireplace and hold our stockings onto it. Open it up here. Just trying to open the Ziploc. Okay, there we go. Okay, so it comes with the device here. This is going to be the hanger. Comes with a little screw that goes up the bottom. Comes with, I guess, an extension if you have to go, shorter or longer. And it comes with some rubber. Oh, it's probably sticky stuff. So if you want to stick it there, you can. So I have a decent sized hearth here. So I probably just need to screw this thing in. Oops. And the way it will work is I will put it to that. I could. Well, I was thinking it was going to be too deep. Yeah, I can't use this. I'm just going to put this under it just so it won't make a mark. And I will screw it in. This is about as simple as it gets. Okay, and there it is. And so now, oh, can you guys see? Now I have a stocking holder right there hanging on there. So I have 4 of them and I can hang anything I want on it. I have a, oops. I think I have something here. I have my Insta 360 bag. You can just hang that on there. But if you have a stocking, you can hang that on there too. But very cool to have some nice little hangers for it. So we are going to be set for the holidays. And there was a set of 4 of them in there. So we are good to go. Totally cool. Thumbs up for sure.